Play is powerful. It doesn't matter what age you are. Play helps you learn, build new skills, and grow in confidence. It lets you be creative, curious, and adventurous. Play is about problem solving, connecting ideas, and handling challenges. So you get to understand that mistakes are part of learning. Plus, you make friends, learn to understand people, and build trust. Play gives you space to process emotions, make sense of the world, and develop resilience for whatever life brings. But most of all, it's fun. If you live in Wales, you have a right to rest, relax, and play. We want all children and young people to have lots of opportunities to play. Our vision: Wales, a play-friendly country. So, a few years ago, we set up a group to see what play opportunities there are across Wales. They talked to children, young people, and even some adults to find out what matters to them. Then, they wrote a report full of ideas and recommendations for how we could make more play opportunities. From that, we set out 67 actions to improve play in Wales. Now, we've written a progress report about what we've done so far and what we're going to do next. Scan here to find out all about it.